Hi guys, welcome back to the channel for another video. Hope you all are doing really well. So back with another Hunter 350 related video, and today I'll be showing you a little upgrade that I'll be doing to my motorcycle, and it's all about upgrading my normal indicators to LED blinkers. And yeah, Royal Enfield does provide option for LED blinkers, but that will cost you like 4,750 rupees, and after spending 2 lakh rupees on a motorcycle, I don't think I am like comfortable enough to spend uh, again 4,000 rupees just for LED blinkers. Royal Enfield could have given it from the factory itself, at least for the high spec variant like the Metro variant, but no, it's not there. So the thing is that I found myself a very simple, cheap and reliable solution, and I think it will be really very helpful for you. So the products that I'll be using will be given in the description below. You can buy it online, or you will also find it in any two-wheeler auto parts shop at your local market. So I'll be showing you the full installation. It will be very easy. You can do it all by yourself. But before starting, do like, share and comment in this video. That really helps me a lot. And also more Hunter 350 related videos will be coming very soon. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification icon to get notified every single time I upload a new video to this channel. So with that said, let's now get started with the main part. So before installation, I want to show you the products that I'll be using, and first of all is the LED blinkers or the LED bulbs that I got. So here are the LED bulbs, and it's from a brand called Mi Wings. As you can see here, I ordered it from Amazon and it costed me 420 rupees with shipping. So there are 4 bulbs obviously, and yeah, I already opened it to check if the bulbs were working or not, and yeah, these were working really fine. So here are the bulbs for individual pieces, and here is the one. And the specification is that all these bulbs are just 3 watts. They will consume around 3 watts of power, and yeah, super bright when you compare it with the incandescent type indicator bulbs that comes with the motorcycle. Another thing you should notice here is that these bulbs have straight pin type connector, as you can see it here. So the thing is that every single Royal Enfield motorcycle, even the new Hunter 350, supports only straight pin type bulb for connecting into the indicators. And one more thing, you can use these bulbs, like you can upgrade your other Royal Enfield motorcycle with these bulbs, and this method not only just work for Hunter 350, you can use this method to upgrade your any Royal Enfield motorcycle like Classic, Meteor, Interceptor, Continental GT, even the old Bullet. You can install these bulbs and use the method that I am showing you currently. And the second thing that you need to buy or install in your motorcycle for the LED blinkers to work perfectly is a DC flasher. And here is the product. It's from Uno Minda and it costed me 90 rupees. I checked it on Amazon, currently not available. The one with the buzzer is available, that one will cost you 120 rupees. So the product link for that will be given in the description below. But if you don't want to go for the one with the buzzer, then you can check it out in a local automobile parts shop at your place. You will definitely find this type of DC flasher. It's really very common and also really very good quality. It's from a reputed brand, Uno Minda. So here is the product. Something like this has 2 pins. One side it's written Uno Minda and all the specifications are there. And yeah, it supports like up to 85 watt of consumption of power. So that's a thing. And the reason why you need to install this is to prevent hyperflashing. What is hyperflashing? That I will be showing you at the time of installation or after I install the LED bulbs to my motorcycle. So the only next thing left is installation. So let me see you at the time of installation. So the time for installation has come, and for opening the indicator bulb that you see here, there is a tiny hole here where the screw is, and to open this screw, you need a Phillips head screwdriver like this. So really very simple, just insert it and turn it anti-clockwise like this, and the thing will be open. So let me just show you after opening it. So after you lose the or unscrew the screw from the back of the indicator, then you need to remove the lens like this. Just pull it from the bottom and this one will come out. You need to be careful because there is a rubber gasket here that prevents water from going inside the indicator. So keep it with the cover here like this. Keep it in a nice and safe place. So the next thing is to remove the bulb. For removing the bulb, you just need to pull it like this, and this one will come out. And this one you can see is a incandescent type bulb, and its rating is like 10 watt. So keeping it safely in the package where I got the LED bulbs. Now taking one of the LED bulbs from the package and installing it. So in this way you need to install every single bulb to the chamber. I hope you have understood the thing. And yeah, just push it and rotate it to the clockwise direction, and it will be like installed. Now let me just turn on and see how this is. So yeah, really it's really very bright, as you can see. And you can notice one thing, that the LED indicator is flashing too fast than the incandescent type indicator in the right side there. So I mean the right side indicator bulb here is flashing too fast than the left side bulb there to the other side. So that's called hyperflashing. And to prevent this, I told you that we need a DC flasher, so that's the reason DC flasher will be installed. But let me first complete the installation of all the 4 indicators, and then I will show you where the DC flasher or the indicator flasher is installed. So finally I have installed all the 4 bulbs into the indicators. Now the time has come to see the brightness of these bulbs out in the dark, and for that I will turn off the light here in this place. So lights are turned off, you can see it's completely dark here. Now let me just turn on the motorcycle. So you can see now just the rear tail light is turned on. So let me just turn off the right side indicator first. So here you can see working really fine, and the lights are really very bright, the indicator bulb obviously, and then the left side indicator again. So yeah, really very nicely working both front and rear. Now let me just turn on the hazard light switch. So you can see the hazard lights are turned on. Now one thing I hope the camera is doing justice, you can notice is that the indicator bulbs are flashing really very fast. So this is what we call hyper flashing, and to prevent this we have to use or install DC flasher into the original flasher that Royal Enfield has provided with the motorcycle, like for the indicator. And next step is I will show you where the flasher in Hunter 350 is located and how to install it. But other than that, everything is working really fine, and these bulbs have really improved the look of the bike from the rear. I'm really loving the rear look. So more upgrades with the motorcycle will be happening very soon. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to it and press the bell notification icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video related to my Hunter 350. So let me just now move into the next step, where I will show you how to install the DC flasher into the Hunter 350. So the DC flasher is situated in the box here, the battery box, and to open it you have to take the key and then turn the key to the clockwise direction, and then first of all you have to pull the cover from the right side, and then you have to do a little bit of struggle and pull it from here. So the cover comes out. So 2 holders are there to both the sides, and yeah, after this you have to put it aside in a nice and safe place so that it doesn't get scratches. The next thing you have to do is pull this cable here and lift the seat up. Also keep the seat aside. Now the indicator flasher is situated into the extreme left corner here. So here is the indicator flasher. Let me just show you from near. So here is the indicator flasher, and for removing it you have to push it from down here like this, and this comes out from the top end here. So yeah, if you cannot do this by yourself, then take it to a mechanic, but it's really very easy, not rocket science. And here is the indicator flasher, as you can see. It's from Royal Enfield. So after pulling out the indicator flasher, you have to just pull the flasher from the cable here. The flasher will come into your hand like this. You have to keep it nicely. Then take the other flasher from the pack, like the Uno Minda flasher, and then uh, you have to install it to the cable again like this. And after this, don't just like install or put the covers back. Take the key and then turn on your motorcycle and then check if the indicator lights are working correctly. So right now, yes, the indicator bulbs are working fine and the flashing, hyper flashing is not happening. So let me just turn on the hazard light switch. As you can see, now hyper flashing is not happening and everything is turned on smoothly, just like how the original bulbs were operating. So now left side indicator, again really very smooth operation. Right side indicator, okay, smooth operation. So now the only thing left is put the flasher back into its place, put all the covers and seat into its place, and then yeah, check everything is fine or not. So currently everything is back in its place. The seat is back in its place, the battery side cover is back in its place. Now let me just turn on the hazard light switch and check if everything is working fine or not. So yeah, now you can see one thing is that now the LED indicator bulbs are working really very smoothly. Hyper flashing is not happening. They are turning on and off very smoothly. That is what I actually needed, and for that I installed the DC flasher. If I turn off the hazard light switch and turn on any indicator switch, like let me just turn on the right side indicator switch. So again you can see really very smoothly they are turning on and off. That was what I intended for. So the things that I used today in this video are the LED bulbs that I ordered from Amazon that costed me 420 rupees, and another thing that I installed is a DC flasher or indicator relay, you can say, electronic flasher, and that one costed me 90 rupees. I installed it myself, so the total amount that I spent is like around 510 rupees. If you cannot install it yourself, take it to a mechanic and you might be charged around 100 rupees. So yeah, total cost will be like 610 rupees, and obviously it's under 1000 rupees. And this method that I have shown you today is for 100-350, but mostly it will work on all the Royal Enfield models because they use similar, or they support similar type of things that I've used today. So if you are watching the video till now and if you have learned new thing, then do like, share and comment in this video. This really helps me a lot, and also a lot more videos over 100-350 will be coming really very soon. And if you have followed me, then you know that I have made a video where I have shown the installation of Mototok crash guard and genuine Royal Enfield black engine sum guard into my 100-350. If you haven't watched it yet, then the video is already out in the channel. You can check it out here in the I button. And also if you want to stay updated, do subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification icon to get notified every single time I upload a new video to this channel. So that's it for today. Bye.